Today we're going to make a simple, but super tasty orange cake. This cake is soft, aromatic, and perfect to serve your family and friends. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 orange, 2 eggs, 200 g of sugar, and 100 g butter or oil at room temperature. Peel the orange and take the juice. That's what gives our cake its natural citrus flavor. Next, in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. 2 tsp of vanilla powder, 2 tsp of baking soda. Then, add the butter and mix until smooth and creamy. Vanilla powder and orange juice. Now add the flour, baking soda, and gently mix if the batter feels too thick. And 300 g of all-purpose flour first. When the batter is smooth and silky, add a little milk to adjust the consistency. It's perfect. Now preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and pour the batter into a baking tray. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Check with a toothpick if it comes out clean. Your cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching.